Hi friends, I'm Rajesh Bhosle, architect, entrepreneur and founder of Intrior One Private Limited. Today we are going to see house of Shruti and Abhishek and their wonderful son Adit. Both Shruti and Abhishek are distinguished, different but strong personalities. They both knew what they wanted aesthetically, but they were both distinct. Shruti wanted bright, lighter and very earthy interiors, whereas Abhishek wanted dark and greyish and contemporary interiors. Our process, which Intrior had designed by itself, helped them to strike balance between both their aesthetic understanding, and they were happy they came to us. Now let us see their house. Let us start with the safety door. Their safety door was designed in teak laminate with PVD coated copper gold jali, which was profusely computerizedly CNC cut. They wanted the jali to be taking the bigger portion of the door so that it helped in cross ventilation as well as it was good for their safety. So we designed a simple entrance door, safety door with bigger jali, as you can see. We gave an side small paneling for their signage, that is their names. When we come inside, we created a false foyer kind of area by giving a false partition which consisted of shoe rack unit and their storage unit with an slit to keep their artifacts. This unit helped them to seclude the kitchen area from the living, and that gave an foyer effect to the entire living. To look the space bigger, wider and give depth to the space, we used tinted mirrors on the shutters, and we did not use any handles. We made entire furniture handleless so that looked more contemporary. From foyer area, you can see the entire living room. As per their taste, we helped them to strike the balance by making the aesthetic to be very earthy by doing lime texture texture paints on both parallel walls of the living. We kept ceiling very simple. We did not want to reduce the height of this flat, because reducing the height makes it bit uncomfortable. It also increases the humidity and heat inside the house. So we wanted maximum height, so we just gave a corner ceiling. About TV unit, we did not want the TV unit to be typical cliche with paneling and all sort of things. We just wanted that the limes wall, which was hand textured, to come up itself. We did not want to add some other paneling in that wall. So what we did is we placed the TV on that textured wall. We concealed all the lights through the wall. Now coming up to sofa. Now we used an bottle green, dark bottle green fabric, which was comfortable as well as soothing for eyes, the color, and the fabric was very comfortable for their use, which we placed on the sofa. Moreover, there is an crockery unit cum bar unit placed near dining area, which is again finished with tinted mirror. Again, we did not use any handles, not in TV console, not in the bar unit or crockery cum bar unit. That unit itself added an element or depth to the entire house. Now talking about the bar cum crockery area, it's a very good partition between kitchen as well as your living area. That provides you an add-on storage for kitchen, such as you can store few snack items, you can have your bar storage, your glass storage, and we very tactfully gave an bar ledge which you can pull down and take chair and make your drink there itself. So this entire look gave totality to living room. Now coming to the kitchen area, again according to their both taste, kitchen was taken in light grey, but the brightness came with the yellow. That tinge of yellow brightened the entire kitchen and gave the kitchen an character. Now you can see we have made kitchen with ample of storage. We gave storages overhead, we gave dead storages on both the sides, that is on L platform of the kitchen. In kitchen, we made entire kitchen in our factory with edge-bended shutters of laminate, that is grey laminate. Here in Arkade Earth, developer had given 2.5 inch skirting to below the kitchen counter. Whenever there is an skirting below a kitchen counter, please remember your thali rack is difficult to adjust with the height. So kindly, if you want to give a thali rack, give only 2 drawers, which we have done. We gave the upper portion for cutlery and the below drawer for thalis or big utensils. Now coming up to the overhead storage, we have given them storage for their aquaguard. We have also given storage for GTPT, that is an fixture which is used to put your utensils after you wash your cups or your dishes. You can place in the GTPT unit, which is besides the aquaguard. The water is collected in the tray below, which can be thrown later. After that, we have placed chimney. We have added an open niche in yellow color to add that extra tinge. We have also added few kitchen racks for bottle storages and other utensil storages which are commonly required in kitchen. Mind you, this kitchen was handleless on the overhead part. We did not use any handles or any fixtures which were used as handles. We just lowered the shutter by 6 mm which you could open with your fingers. We had to use handles on overhead as they were flushed, so we used alu finish G sections as handles below counter. Coming to the passage area, passage that guides you towards all the 3 bedrooms and kitchen area. It was a long passage, approximately 6.5 to 7 feet passage, and it had a ceiling of 9.5 feet. We did not want to waste the height portion of it, as per their brief of keeping floor area as much as free and above area for their storage. We gave an wooden ceiling kind of finish on the passage, and above that they could have their dead storage, which you can see. We also fixed few surface lights which gave the entire passage as it has been done with wooden false ceiling with the concealed lights. Now going to the guest bedroom. As we know, it was family of 3, that is 1 son and mother and father. So we made an sofa cum bed with grey fabric, which when required could be opened and stretched to approximately 5.5 by 6 feet bed, where 2 people who come as guests could easily settle down. This sofa cum bed also had storage, which one section, that is approximately 3 feet by 1.5 feet depth storage, which was an ample storage for any sofa cum bed. We have helped them to create that storage inside that sofa cum bed. There was a corner beside sofa cum bed, which was a recess corner. So we made all shelves with that corner. We gave a sitting area, corner area to sit, to refer books. Mind you, we did not waste any corner of this room. We wanted the floor area to be clutter free, but we wanted to make maximum usage of the niches or of the offsets inside the room. So hope we were very successful in doing that in the guest bedroom. Now coming to Adit's room. Adit was a very cheerful kid, and we convinced both the parents to give that positive vibe or that very colorful, cheerful look in this kid's bedroom. But they were clear that Adit should get all the required things in his room, that is ample of storage, a very 5.5 by 6 feet bed, a good study table, dresser unit, and storage for his bats, rackets, toys, books, magazines in entire room. Along with that entire storage, they did not want the floor area to be cluttered. We took up this challenge. What we did is we designed all the storage along the walls. We made the bed to be Murphy bed, that is folding bed, which folded on the wall, which gave an entire floor area for Adil to play. Entire room was designed with two colors. One is subtle satin grey and glossy light sky blue. That made the entire room very cheerful. Storage were placed, overhead storages were given above the folding bed as well as the wardrobe. The inside design of the wardrobe was designed considering Adil's age, height, ergonometrics and requirements. So the hanger rods were below. He had ample of shelves for his books. We gave him good study table besides bed, which acted of dual purpose of side table as well as study table. We gave him storage for study table. We gave him dead storage above study table. On front of the folding bed, there was a protruding column of 3.5 feet. That column created two niche areas on that wall. We flushed the entire column. On the right hand niche, we gave a mirror and we gave storage shelves that acted as dresser for Adit. We did not like to place handle on these walls, so we gave push button to open that door. We again gave two niches areas where on the left hand side we gave shelves. We gave a different kind of storages to hold their bats and rackets, and again these both shutters were placed with the push buttons. The entire room was given very light bluish tinge, which gave it an elegant, very positive and fresh vibe. Coming to the master bedroom, again we textured, hand textured paint, which was marble finish texture on both the parallel walls. We gave a big wardrobe for Shruti and one section for Abhishek. We placed an bed which was 6 by 6, which had ample of storage along with headboard. We also placed a dresser besides bed. It was very simple. Entire theme was of beige added a tinge of mocha brown on wardrobe as well as backrest, and made it more earthy, simple, elegant. They required it as they demanded. We gave them that aesthetics with entire requirement fulfilled. Now coming to the master bedroom toilet, we gave them storage below the basin counter. It was ample of storage made up of marine ply in grey laminate. We gave them a round mirror with touch sensitive backlighting, which gave ample of light on their face for helping them to shave or soap properly or wash properly. This was the tour of Shruti, Abhishek and Adit's house. This house makes us understand that the requirement of aesthetics and function can be achieved by following the process which Intrior have developed and proven through last 20 years. They were super happy to get their dream house. For such beautiful and good houses and to see such more videos, kindly subscribe us and please do not forget to like us. Thank you.